Hey guys, welcome back to the Mental Health Pit Stop. In this constantly changing world, people often put pressure on themselves to achieve as much as they can in as little time as possible. For many, this can lead to feelings of overwhelm, indecision, and procrastination. Over time, we may start to question ourselves. This increases our anxiety and worries about whether we're where we want to be in life, if we're financially secure, if we're in the right career, or even if we're becoming the person who we aspire to be. We refer to these concerns as practical worries because they involve real, tangible issues that demand action or decision making. Another type of worry can also arise, such as, what if I don't achieve my goals in 2 years? What if things go terribly wrong? We refer to these concerns as hypothetical worries, a concept we discussed in a previous video. Today, however, we're going to focus on a problem-solving technique that's going to help break down your tasks into small, achievable steps, allowing you to feel accomplished and move closer to your goals. Step 1. Identify the problem. The goal is to define your problem as clearly and precisely as possible. If needed, select one issue from a prioritized list, break it down into achievable tasks, and select the first one that needs to be addressed. Step 2, identify a range of solutions. Consider as many potential solutions as possible. Brainstorm and jot down any ideas that could solve aspects of your problem. Whilst doing this, try to apply 2 key principles. Begin with the quantity principle. Imagine that you're looking for a shirt in a specific size and style. It's reasonable to assume that larger stores with a wide range of selection is likely to have what you're looking for. Similarly, having a greater number of options significantly increases your likelihood of finding high quality solutions. The next principle is the deferment principle. Make it a point to record every idea that comes into your mind. Avoid dismissing ideas, as this can restrict your creative thinking. Even if an idea seems silly or unrealistic, it could potentially inspire a new idea. Additionally, 2 seemingly weak ideas could combine and form a solid one. The only guideline is that the ideas should be relevant to the problem at hand. Step 3, analyze the strengths and weaknesses. For each potential solution, start to analyze their strengths and their weaknesses. It's essential to consider the practicalities for implementation. Pros and cons might relate to the likelihood of success, feasibility, or required resources, to name a few. Step 4, select a solution. Selecting a solution is based off the analysis of step 3. The aim is to find a solution with the greatest number of advantages with the least amount of disadvantages. If you find this difficult, try to start with the solutions that you don't want to do and then work backwards until you reach the last 2. Decide based on the information gathered. Again, it's crucial to consider the resources available, as selecting a solution that can't be executed will only result in failure. Step 5, plan implementation. The solution may need thorough planning. Outline all the steps and list all the resources that you need. Ensure that the steps are as specific and realistic as possible. To assist with implementation, try using the 4 W's: what, where, when, and with whom. Step 6, implementation. Now, put the plan into action. Keep a simple diary to track the implementation process and also to track your progress. Therefore, ask yourself, was it helpful? Did you achieve your objectives? If not, how could you approach it differently? Was there noticeable progression towards the goal? If the solution was successful, then reinforce this success by continuing to implement it. For instance, address the next steps of your problem, or start working on a new problem using the same approach. If the solution doesn't work, remember, problem solving offers alternatives. And that's the great thing about problem solving. If it didn't work the first time, well, you pick another solution and you repeat the process until you get it right. Thank you for joining me today as we explored the process of problem solving. If you enjoyed the video, please leave a like, subscribe, and comment down below. As always, stay curious, stay positive, and take small steps towards a healthier mind. Until next time, take care.